To set up a fingerprint lock on the Motorola Moto G86 5G, first of all we'll need to open a settings on our device. Next step is to scroll down, select security and privacy section, and then move down again to device unlock. Here you should be able to find a screen lock. First you need to set up a screen lock, so click on it and then choose your password type for the screen lock. After that select fingerprint and here unlock your device. Go to the setup, click on got it, and then you can set up your fingerprint by selecting your finger first, and then you need to type right here, tap right here from multiple different angles until your fingerprint is recognized. Okay, and our fingerprint setup is done. So that is basically everything.